Today I'll be showing you how to fit a text in an image using Gimp. So let's get going. So first we're gonna create a new project. Go to File, File New, and this image size needs to be 192 by 100 to 80, and I have it filled with white because I have the background color set to white. And now what I want to do is open an image. Go to File, Open as Layers, and I have this image downloaded from Pixabay. I'll soon have a link in the description. As you would have seen on my Instagram page that I have been off for a while, and I'm still working on it, but I'm pretty sure I'll soon get things back to the way it was. So links will be given soon. Click open, and this is the size of that image, so it fits in correctly. And now what I'm gonna do is, actually, let's not isolate this. We're just going to trace it. Let me set the size to 10. Maybe I think 17 is correct, so but I'm gonna create a new layer. So as you can see, I have successfully traced it, and this is the result. So I'm going to fill it like that. It didn't fill quite as I expected it to be, so I'll put a selection, and let me grow this to there. Now I'm going to fill it with foreground color. There, so what we're going to do is fit the image and this silhouette. So let me get rid of this image here, and now here's the part where we start writing. And let me set the color first to white, and considering that this image is a lot big, so we need to minimize the size of the text. I'm going to do 12, and what I'm going to write is there. And I'm gonna keep copying that one. So let me first get the font to Calibri. No, actually, Times New Roman. Let me make it bold. There, let me just, no. There, that makes it easier to see now. I'm going to edit this. If any text goes out of line of that black, then it's not acceptable, so delete it. So I'm gonna remove this one and make it all black. You can see it starts to appear. So I guess delete that, and that will be all for today's tutorial, and I'll hopefully see you next Friday. So this is the result of what we worked on here, our text and an object. So this will be an official wrap.